there was some weird thing happening with the camera. But, because it was saying it was on low battery. But now, we are moving on to the 100K pack. Let's just see what we're gonna get in the demo. So, in the demo, we got... Holy crap, why didn't I just open this pack normally? I would have gotten so much money, because if you guys see on the left, Sanchez goes for 116,000 coins. That's a lot. So like that one player made your entire money back. Yeah, that would have won you 154,000 coins. That would have been real nice. But now let's go and open it. Oh damn! I feel. Oh, we got David Luiz, and our inform was Soso. I don't think we got 100K though. What do you guys think? 95,000. Oh, what the heck? Get that out of here. Open that up. Ooh, okay, we got like 2 informs kinda. Oh, we got Miranda. Got Pogba. That's not the real one. Ooh, Ratic. We got this dude, he kinda was worth something. Pedro. We got Galarrozo, and this inform is probably what made us the most money. Oh, I think we actually made money because I saw our coins go up. Yes, we did. 18,000 coins we made in that pack. Next one. Yo, 3 informs in one pack. And it guarantees you 1, but we get 3. Hold up. Oh, oopsies. But we still get lower than 100K with 3 informs. Wow. Oh, no, I do not want to open up a goddamn legendary pack. No, thank you. Oh, that was a sucky pack, yo. That inform, those 2 informs sucked. We didn't get close to 100K. But somehow we did. But, that was a sucky pack, guys. Okay, we got Jose. Lucas, we got Company, got Navas. That's the only guys that really made money. Oh my god, our coins went down so much. Holy, we barely made it past 50K. Oh my god, yo, no. We got Rodriguez. We got freaking Rodriguez. But I think we still went down because look at our coins. It's only at 2,500 now. But I think we lost. Oh my god, come on. Let me make some coins back, man. 2 informs. Oh, but I just saw my thing go up by 10,000. 10,000. Oh, look at that. We got Rooney. We got Mata. We got this dude. We have Lamar and whatever your name is. Yeah, ooh, look at that. 10K and 500. That's nice. Oh, that looks trash. 75,000. That's so bad. So bad. We just lost all of that. What is that? Oh, damn. Oh damn, oh damn, we might have just made our money back. Crap. Got Defoe. That was such a bad pack. Oh my god. You know what I'm doing? Damn it. Let's just open up these, because these usually give me some good stuff. I'm just losing coins now, aren't I? Oh my god. Come on, I want to show you guys my pack opening skills. Oh god. Please. Come on. Come on. Just be a little bit nicer. Okay, you know what, guys? We're gonna go on a spamming spree. Okay, no, we had to scroll it up just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. Spam. We're spamming, guys. We're spamming. We're spamming. God damn it. And guess what happened? For some reason, the lighting went down a hell of a lot. That's so weird. Here, I'll try to fix this problem real quick. Okay, guys, just fix the lighting. And, let's just open up a 50K pack. Holy crap. Yo. Whoever you are the real MVP. So is Pay It. But whoever you are right here, this dude, where my mouse is, you are the real MVP. Let me just scrub a dub your head. Ooh, yeah, you like that. I know you like that. How much money did we make? 178,000 for a 50K pack. You gotta be kidding me. We didn't even make like over 10K. We made 22,000 over a 50K pack. Spam of that. 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 21. Guess what pack I'm gonna do next, guys? You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Psych! Oh yeah. Oh my god, we made 4,000 out of that pack. Why do these packs suck? Bulsakis. Let's see what we can get out of the demo. Of course it gives him like the CPU over 50,000. But when I do it, guess how much I'm gonna get? Like 30. The heck did I tell you, man? I didn't get 50. Oh wow, I got 75. Okay, let's just trash talk and be like, you're never gonna give me over 50. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. You're never gonna put me over 50. You're never gonna put me over 50, mate. As it gave me, you're never. You can't. You just can't. I'm too good for you. You can't put me over 50K. Like I said, try to put me over 50K. Try me. Try me. Put me over 50K. I freaking triple dog dare. You were supposed to put me over 50K. You didn't put me over 50K. Bruh, put me over the 50K, please. Please. I could really use it. Oh wow. I could really not use it. Like, it's okay to get 39,000 out of the pack. Ah! Did that just go down in money, or did that go up? That went down. God damn it. We're going back to the 25K packs. 20,000. Oh, okay. Screw this. 100K pack right now, right in here. Let's go. Oh crap. Our inform wasn't even worth a lot. Our base 79 gold was worth the most. Oh my god, we didn't even make 100K. We're going again. Back at it again with the white vans. Why do we suck? We lost almost freaking 50,000 coins. Back to the 50Ks. Oh my god. 48. You gotta be kidding me. Our coins just keep on going down. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Stop it. Yo, just stop it. Okay? Stop bullying me. This stupid site. I'm spamming now. I'm spamming for you guys. The viewers. Let's get 10 likes on this video. And we'll get a 100k pack. I mean, 100,000 points out of a freaking 25k pack. I'm watching. You watch too. My highest was so far was like 50,000 right now. Yeah, sorry for the noise, but that's my thing. Go, 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 go. Oh, I saw 64,000 there, guys. 58, 17, 19, 16, 22, 13, 11, 20, 16, 36, 36, 21, 21, 12, 30, 18, 26, 29, 32, 16, 32, 25, 17, 35, 25, 17. Spam that like button. You gotta do this to my freaking like button on this video, yo. All I should hear when you're freaking clicking that like button is this, man. And I hope you like the sound, because that's what I'm gonna hear when my video gets 150,000 likes. Come on, FIFA gods. Come on. Please. Don't let me down. Oh, damn. Okay, what's her coins at? You know, spamming actually made her coins go up.